So I have discovered 15 apps that you may use today to earn money quickly using only your phone. You can easily cover life's expenses and perhaps even more by combining all or even some of these apps. But before we go further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment. Now, wouldn't it be fantastic if you could earn money simply by riding a bike, a bus, a motorcycle, or anything else? The Miles app is based entirely on that idea. Download the app, sign up, enable location services, and set it to always, and the app will track your miles for you. You can then exchange those miles for gift cards or other. Your ability to earn money using this app will solely be based on how frequently you move. Now, what if there was a way for you to earn money on your phone or even on your computer by just using it? Now we're talking about earning money by doing nothing. You simply earn money by using your gadget as you normally would without having to do. Now this is what peer-to-profit accomplishes. Simply having the app installed on your phone, or even PC, you start receiving payments from the app every month. Now I understand it seems a little bit suspicious, right? But the program sells all of your unused connection speed to advertising, internet providers and marketing firms. These businesses use the data to assess their competitors, verify their advertising, and learn more about these businesses. Pay period to profit and period to profit then pays you. So if you install this app on more devices, you'll earn extra money for each device on which you have this app installed. You can typically expect to make $8 each month. Now remember that it's free money, so before you start laughing at the sum of money, it's simply download the app to your devices, collect the money, and that's all there is. Do it. Simply visit peer-to-profit.io and register to get started now by taking images and responding to a few questions using your phone. With the Observer app, you can make money through PayPal. You are doing an audit of brand marketing at establishments like Walmart, Target gas stations, and similar locations while following the app's instructions. For instance, you might have a chance to walk to the store across the street and take pictures of the in-store advertising for Cheetos or Red Bull energy drink. There can be instructions in the app directing you, for example, to take a photo of the shelf with a bag of Cheetos snacks. So take a picture and then upload it within the app. Additionally, the app will occasionally offer opportunities for you to work as a secret shopper, which will pay you to go out to eat or shop. The average work only takes 20 minutes or less to complete, making it very simple to make money. Now, depending on the location, you'll typically make between $5 and $20 for each. Next, I've got an app that will reward you with up to $100 in cryptocurrency cash back for performing regular shopping activities using blockchain technology. The Social Good app is a unique and substantial global project. The Social Good app is the largest shop-to-earn app in the world right now. It enables you to get up to $100 in cryptocurrency cash back when you purchase at more than 1,800 of your favorite online retailers, including eBay, Home Depot, AliExpress, and Walmart. Now let's use shopping at Best Buy as an example to explain how it operates. You spend $1,000 on a new computer. Now, if you may not purchase using the Social Good app, you may receive up to 1,000 SG rewards, which could then trade for cryptocurrency. Additionally, since SG is listed on major exchanges, you may exchange your SG for other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USG Tether, or you can automatically earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards on all of the SG you own. Now the Social Good app currently has over 2 million users and has distributed over 50 million in cashback rewards. That number is anticipated to increase significantly. It has more than 70 recognized patents and is free, simple to use and secure. So visit socialgood.inc to begin earning up to $100 in crypto cashback plus a $100 sign-up bonus as a new. Now the next app is called 1Q, which you probably never heard of, but deserves a spot on this. Now, once the app is installed, it will start sending you short questions. To answer these questions can pay anywhere between 25 cents and over $2. This software stands out because it pays you through PayPal right away after you've responded to a survey question. There are no minimum withdrawal requirements, so you can withdraw any amount you want for any completed survey. Now even if you answer one question and earn 25 cents, 5 seconds later, a notification appears on your screen stating that the payment has already been delivered to PayPal. It is being sent directly to your PayPal account. And as noted earlier, you can expect to earn anywhere from 25 cents to $2 for each survey you complete, and the majority of them are simply 1 to 4. Question. Amazon Shopper Panel is the name of the following app. You may make quick money on your phone by using this Amazon app, so pay close attention because this is extremely simple money. Now, by submitting receipts from purchases made elsewhere than Amazon.com, responding to short surveys, and enabling ad sharing, you can use this app to receive incentives every month. Simply upload 10 qualifying receipts each month into the app to get. Now by doing this, you will earn $10, which will go towards your Amazon balance, which you can use to make purchases on Amazon.com. You should be able to make at least $10 every month using this app. And if you engage in other activities such as a survey taking or ad sharing, you can expect to make even more. Now before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, there is another app called Eureka. And that is even better than the last one. You can use this app to take short surveys and receive an immediate cash. Over 252,000 individuals have given the app reviews, the majority of which are 5 stars. This survey app is worthwhile in contrast to many of the others on the market. Now with Eureka, there are 3 different ways to profit. Conducting surveys is certainly the first method. You can also enter cash giveaways to make even more money, and you can get free money every day by completing daily calls. On average, you can anticipate making between 15 cents and $5 for each survey you complete. Remember that the majority of these surveys are short and may be finished in just a few minutes or less. Now with this next app, you may potentially earn thousands of dollars in a matter of minutes. Wheel is a stock market investment app that enables you to make passive income through stock dividends and free stocks in exchange for signing up. You can visit Wheel.com to receive 12 free stocks worth up to $36. Now you can receive 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000 if you register for a free Wheel account. Link your bank account to your Wheel account and deposit just 1 penny. It is a no-brainer. And since you have the app installed, now's a fantastic opportunity to think about investing for the future. Now, consider for a moment that you regularly get coffee from Starbucks, perhaps twice or 3 times each. Now what if you could earn money every time you went to Starbucks? Now by leaving reviews for the establishments and restaurants that you frequently visit or eat at. You can receive incentives with the Moby Secret Shopping app. After you've submitted your responses of the app, questions about the establishment you're at, you'll receive payment for your effort. For each task you accomplish, you should expect to earn $10 to $15 on average. Now, most of the time, it only takes a few minutes to finish one of these tasks. Next, our website called Global Adventures will pay you up to $100 for simply exploring your city by walking. Still may go to globaladventures.site, select Submit Video, and respond to the following inquiries regarding the video you intend to submit. If you want your videos to be accepted and get you paid, there are a few conditions that must be met. There must be no vulgarity in the videos, for example, and they must be of a high standard to be accepted. You can do one hack on your iPhone, and it's safe to assume that Android smartphones also have access to the same feature. But if you open the Settings application on your iPhone, navigate to Camera. Then under Record Video choose 4K at 24 frames per second. Your videos will look much more cinematic and thus appear to be of higher quality. If you choose to 24 FPS option, again, depending on the length and quality of each video submit, you could earn up to $100. Service like Turo and Get Around for car rentals are likely familiar to many of you. The services make it simple for you to rent out your car to individuals to generate passive income, but other services may pay you even more to do so. Hire Car is a platform that enables you to constantly generate easy passive revenue by renting out your car, rating your drivers, and hiring gig workers. Many people desire their freedom to work for themselves, set their hours, go on vacation whenever they please, and serve as their employers. Being your own boss is now easier than ever. Thanks to the ever-expanding gig economy and applications like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and dozens of others. However, there is a problem. Not many individuals have nice, trustworthy cars that they can use to earn money with these ride-sharing or delivery apps. This is where Hire Car comes in. You can start making hundreds of dollars each week by renting out your car by simply downloading the Hire Car app and selecting Rent a Car. Hire Car's 1 million liability protection also covers your car. Renting out your car might bring in up to $750 per month. Now, what if playing games on your phone could earn you money? The following app allows you to find new games. Play them for points, and then exchange those points for Amazon gift cards, prepaid Visa cards, and many other things. This is the only app on this list that can only be downloaded from the Google Play Store using an Android device. But I did discover a fantastic option for the iPhone called Prizes by Game. Now with this app, you may play games and get paid with real money, just like Miss Play. Many people have claimed to make $5 to $10 per day or more by playing games on these applications. Now with this app, you can get paid for enjoying yourself, which you would probably do anyway. Now, a few people are aware of the app Mind Swarms, which offers higher payouts than the majority of survey-style apps. The minimum payout for one study on this app is $10. Numerous studies pay up to $50 per study. With the help of this app, you may submit applications for studies, record quick 40 to 60-second video responses, and then get paid. You receive payment through PayPal within 24 hours. And it is just that simple. Your videos must be concise and at least decently professional. Now find a quiet area. Record your concise response, 40 to 60 seconds, and then send it. Although you don't have to go out and get dressed up in a suit or anything, try to at least appear presentable as it is a video. Now, depending on how many questions there are in a study, you will receive payments ranging from $15 to $50 for each study. Paying rent is one obligation that most people have every single month and cannot. Now, wouldn't it be lovely if paying your rent on time could also help you save money, enhance your credit, and give you rewards? Everything is feasible with Piñata. You receive amazing benefits when you use the Piñata app simply for verifying your on-time rent payments. You'll receive Piñata cash each rent day by entering the app and verifying that your rent was paid on time, which you can then use to purchase gift cards and other rewards. Additionally, the app offers a nice feature where you may save money on daily expenses in their deals marketplace. You can also choose to have your rent payments reported to all significant credit agencies. You can expect to earn roughly $20 in Piñata cash per, which you can use to purchase gift cards and other rewards. You have to pay rent every month, so you might as well get paid for it. This is essentially free money now. There's no tricks, just making money and getting paid quickly are the goals of the last app on the list. Make money installing the Make Money app and starting to complete tasks after creating an account and signing in will earn you. Surveys, giving feedback, rating services, and even playing games are among these tasks. For the majority of games, there will be clear instructions on how to get your points. For instance, after you finish level 21 of the game, Mafia City, you will receive 53,000 points. With 53,000 points, you will be eligible to receive $50 PayPal payment for just playing the game. You can get up to $250 every month, depending on how frequently you use the app, by just playing different games and taking survey. Now the reviews are the strongest proof that this is a reliable application that works with nearly 500,000 reviews, and a nearly perfect 5-star rating. Now you are aware of the value this app offers, therefore you want to earn money with it. Download it today, and that's it. If you have some more content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button.